Hey, this will be a video chart on BBDA. What a great way to end the week. Did this one, I believe, on this day here, and then we saw it still did close green here, but looked like it might have been possibly pulling back because it put in a spinning top up here at this position, but the bulls really came on strong today. I'm not sure if there's news out or not, but regardless, the chart does need a few little updates here going into the weekend. So that's what I'm going to do. Like I said, I've done this one a couple times, so if you go back to the video archives, you can just look up and see the past times I've done it, and what I'm pretty much updating. But the first update that needs to be made is we now have our newest level of support, and that comes in right here at this previous high of 0.0039. So I suppose you could call it 0.004 if you wanted to. But the reason this is a support is simply because it was a previous high, so therefore resistance, and just basic technical analysis states that when resistances are broken, they become support. So 0.0039 is the newest level of support. And what I'm also going to do is just create a support zone with the other level of support being right here at this high, which was at 0.0035. So between 0.0039 and 0.0035, we're going to call this just a nice little support zone. So if the price were to fall down in that area, so down anywhere between here and hover around before heading back up, that would still make the chart look very nice and very strong. We do have the moving averages here that continue to play a role of support also. In terms of resistance levels, very straightforward. We have the previous high that was put in today, which was at 0.0048. That's where the profit takers decided to step in. So this is the current level of support, and then after resistance, excuse me. Then after that, as far as I'm concerned, the chart is back in the blue sky breakout territories. You could really go back into the history and look back a couple of years to see where other levels of resistance are. But as far as I'm concerned, with a break up above here, again of 0.0048, I would just classify that as entering back into blue sky territory. And then also, nice to see that this is the biggest volume day, and combine that with the share price being as much as it was. Not only was this the biggest volume day in terms of shares traded in a while, but it was also the most of dollar volume traded. So always nice to see when dollar volume continues to increase, even though the share price gets a little bit more and more expensive. So overall, though, great looking chart. It'll be interesting to see how things turn out going into next week. But again, the chart put in the higher lows, and then has now put in higher highs, so the epitome of an uptrend. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know how you've been doing with the chart and what your strategy is going forward. One more time, this was BBDA. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.